Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. In the previous video tutorial we covered the power of F4 key, and now we are back with the F4 key example that is very close to the situation that I faced in a manufacturing industry. Let's first analyze the data. $120 is the amount earned on Monday by Sam, Jack, Andres, Joe and John. Similarly, $360 is the cumulative amount earned by Sam, Jack, Andres, Joe and John on Wednesday. This table indicates their share. This 0.2 means that Jack owns 20% share in Monday's amount of $120. Similarly, this 0.15 means that Joe owns 15% share in Wednesday's $360. We are supposed to find out the amounts that Sam, Jack, Andres, Joe and Joe earned on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday according to their percentages. In simple words, for this cell we have to find the product value of $120 and 0.1. So it gives us the share of Andres for Monday. We should be able to put the formula only once in this D10 cell, and when we drag this cell towards right and then downwards, the values should be correct. So when we drag this cell towards right, then we expect that this cell's value does not change, which is B4, which means we need to fix the column name, which is B, and again which means we need a dollar sign with B. For this cell, 120 will be multiplied by 0.2, and when we drag this cell towards right and downwards, then we want D4 value to change downwards and rightwards. So we don't need a dollar sign neither with row nor with column. Let's put the formula here. Equal to sign, this cell, pressing F4 again and again will give you these options, and we need a dollar sign with B, and here we got the option. Multiply by this term, and we don't need to fix its column or row. This completes our formula. Pressing enter, dragging towards right and now dragging downwards. I think we have got all the values correct. Let's check the formula for this cell. So the formula for this cell should be B5 into H5, and this is exactly what we have got. These yellow boxes indicate the cumulative amount earned by Sam, Jack, Andres, Joe and John in the mentioned 3 days. I already put the formula. Let's put it again. Equal to sign, sum, brackets open, select the range, brackets closed, enter. Drag this cell towards right, and in this way we got all the required values. This concludes this video tutorial. And by the way, if you want to see the formatting of the cells and how the dragging works with the formula, you may watch previous video tutorials having the title Copying the Formula, Formatting the Cells, etc. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering the big if function. So thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.